Well, let's face it. I've always said I hate the IRS. That's not really true. I hate what lack of tax planning does for people's retirement. I think it's the biggest thing that is missed and overlooked. And I've never seen anything like the Internal Revenue Service separate somebody from the retirement they deserve. We just never have. You deserve the retirement that you earned. And I mean that. We've talked about this before. It's the Zig Ziglar comment. Everybody pays a price. You either pay the price of discipline today or the price of regret later on. You either say no to going to Disney today, no to buying a newer car, no to buying a bigger house, and have a better retirement, or you buy the bigger house, you buy the nicer car, you go to Disney whenever you want, and you have the regret for retirement later on. Somewhere in the middle is where we have to meet. You can't say no to all of the fun stuff of life. That's not any good. But you can't say yes to everything either. You won't have a future, right? So it's that compromise that's inside and in between.